Good morning. Today I am going to planning the week of November 6th through the 12th. I'm going to keep it real simple. Use this cute little quarter sheet of gnomes and sunflowers, and I just think it's cute and simple and a quick little plan with me today. Sorry about the washer dryer noise in the background. But you know, life happens and we all have to live life, right? Anyways, I've been on here in a couple of days, actually a couple weeks. Just been busy working on some house projects and things, and I hope everyone's fall is off to a good start. Around here, it's still pretty warm. We had a little bit of a teaser last week and it was pretty cool, but didn't last long, unfortunately. Anyways, let's see. I figured these are super cute colors to go match. And let's just get started. I don't know, I feel like it's not gonna be very bright though. I'm not even using boxes or anything today. I'm just making it simple. Listing out the bills to pay this week. And then, what else? I have to do a box to do errands for the week. I never know what to use this for. I haven't decided. It just sort of seems to be blank most of the time. Let's see. What am I gonna have for dinners this week? I'm so unorganized today. I know this is our takeout Tuesday, so I'll go ahead and put that in. What else have I got? It's honestly pretty boring this week. Not much going on. This section is my personal and appointments and kind of my catch-all everything. This one is usually my work. I have two different businesses that I keep track of in this section, and then this is my to-do list for my catch-all. Actually, these flip-flop sometimes. Sometimes this is my catch-all to-dos and this is my work. That seems to work out better, but I usually tend to ignore this bottom one for some reason. I don't know. But anyways, just put a few stickers down. I'm just gonna go ahead and cover that up, make it cute, because I don't know what to do with it. I think these little gnomes are so cute. Put this on Saturday because I like to try to water my plants outside on Saturdays. Actually, inside as well. I water my outside plants a couple times a week because it's still quite warm here, but either way, what other day should I water? Maybe this day, one of these 2 days. Oh, this will be cute, like a busy bee for work. I love that idea. Let's go ahead will go at all. Let's see what color that is. It's kind of pinky. Maybe this one. Oh, it's too thin. Ugh. All right, well, maybe I will just go ahead and use this one. Do a thin line. If I can follow the line. Huh, not very straight, but it's okay. I really need to, probably should have pulled out washi for this. Might look better, but I'm gonna go with it. Okay, so this is for work and all the things that I get to do for work on these days. And then what are my to-dos? See if I can go on the line. That'll look better. Yay. Maybe should be like a checklist. Let's see if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What should this be? What should my habit tracker be for the week? Maybe I don't know. Let's just make it it's a weird N. It's not my day today with this planning ideas. It's kind of funny. Oh well. It'll work, it'll work, it'll work. Busy bee. Working. I'm just gonna use the whole thing and make it look cute. I'll fill it in as the week goes and we'll roll with it. We could put a little bee right here. Oops. Cute. Little guy right there. Try to make Pangos a little bit cuter. A couple of sunflowers. That's never exciting. Well, to me anyways. Pangos is never exciting to me. A little bit better lighting. Still figuring out this whole YouTube videos and what exactly I want to post. I don't know where to put it. It's so tiny up there. I'm just like struggling. It's cute. All right, let's put a couple more bees here. 3 whole stickers left. Just 3. Put some bouquet of sunflowers. Put one down here. One little thing, a tiny little thing. Put it right up there. Here. Okay, use the whole thing. I guess that's it. That's my spread for the week. I'll go in and fill in all the details a little bit later, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys all have a wonderful and blessed week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.